Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ## tutorial, Java TLS 1.3 support. Transport Layer Security, TLS, is a cryptographic protocol designed to provide secure communication over a computer network. The TLS 1.3 protocol, which was finalized in August 2018, offers several improvements over its predecessor, TLS 1.2, including reduced latency, improved security, and simplified configuration. Java introduced support for TLS 1.3 starting with Java 11, which means that developers can take advantage of these enhancements when building secure applications. ### Key features of TLS 1.3. 1. Simplified handshake. TLS 1.3 reduces the number of round trips required to establish a secure connection, making it faster. 2. Improved security, deprecated older, less secure algorithms and introduced modern cipher suites. 3. Zero RTT resumption, allows clients to send data before the handshake completes, which can improve performance in certain scenarios. 4. Forward secrecy, ensures that session keys are not compromised even if the server's private key is compromised in the future. ### Setting up a Java project. 1. Install JDK 11 or later, ensure you have JDK 11 or later installed on your machine. You can check your Java version using. 2. Create a Java project. You can use any IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, or a simple text editor. For simplicity, let's use the command line. 3. Project structure. ### Example code. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to set up a TLS 1.3 server and client using Java. #####1. Server code. Create a file named main.java in the src directory. ####2. Client code. For the client, you can use a similar approach. Here's how you can implement it. ### Creating a key store. To run the server, you will need a key store file, keystore.p12. You can create one using the key tool from the JDK. ### Running the server and client. 1. Compile the server and client. 2. Run the server. 3. Run the client, in a new terminal. Conclusion. This tutorial introduced you to basic TLS 1.3 support in Java using Java 11 or later. You learned how to set up a simple server and client using TLS 1.3. Ensure that you handle exceptions and edge cases in your production code and consider using libraries like Bouncy Castle for more advanced cryptographic needs. ### Additional resources. Java Secure Socket Extension, JSSE, Reference Guide, https://docs.oracle.com/javaz/8/docs/guide/security/crypto/cryptospec.html. TLS 1.3 RFC, https://tools.ietf.org/html/rfc8446. This should provide a solid foundation for working with TLS 1.3 in Java. Sure. TLS, Transport Layer Security, 1.3 is the latest version of the TLS protocol, which provides secure communication over a computer network. Java has supported TLS 1.3 since Java 11, making it easier to implement secure communications in Java applications. ### Overview of TLS 1.3. TLS 1.3 improves upon previous versions by enhancing security and performance. Some key features include: 1. Simplified handshake. the handshake process is reduced from multiple round trips to just one, which helps in reducing latency. 2. Forward secrecy. All key exchanges are based on ephemeral keys, providing better security against future compromises. 3. Removed legacy features. Features like static RSA and DH key exchanges that are considered weak have been removed. 4. Improved security. TLS 1.3 uses stronger cipher suites and improved authentication mechanisms. Hashtag setting up Java for TLS 1.3. To use TLS 1.3 in Java, ensure you have at least Java 11 installed. You can check your Java version using hashtag example code. Below is a simple example of a Java server and client that communicate securely using TLS 1.3. Hashtag 1. Create a self-signed certificate. For testing purposes, you can create a self-signed certificate using the keytool command provided with the JDK. This command will generate a key store file named keystore.jks. Hashtag 2. Java server with TLS 1.3. Hashtag 3. Java client with TLS 1.3. Hashtag running the example. 1. Compile the server and client. Save the server code in TLS server.java and the client code in TLS client.java. Compile both files. 2. Run the server. Start the server in one terminal. 3. Run the client. In another terminal, run the client. Hashtag conclusion. This example demonstrates how to set up a simple server and client using TLS 1.3 in Java. For production applications, consider using a valid CA signed certificate instead of a self-signed one, and ensure proper error handling and resource management. Always keep your Java version updated to benefit from the latest security improvements.